Welcome to GrowFin, the ultimate source for staying updated on cryptocurrency. Today, we're discussing the captivating world of cryptocurrency and explaining it in simple terms for beginners to grasp. Let's begin. Imagine a world where your money doesn't require a bank. You can travel worldwide in minutes, and you are safeguarded by cutting-edge technology. That's precisely what cryptocurrency offers. It's not just a new form of money, it's a revolution in how we think about and use money. Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists online without needing physical bills or coins. It's a decentralized form of money, meaning no single government or bank controls it. Cryptocurrency is powered by blockchain technology, a super safe, shared digital ledger that records every transaction, making it secure and nearly impossible to tamper with. To understand how we got here, consider how money has evolved. We started with bartering, where people traded goods like clothing and food directly. Then came coins made from precious metals like gold and silver, followed by paper money backed by governments. Today, we often use digital entries in bank accounts for our transactions. Now, cryptocurrency takes it one step further, fully digital money that's more secure, faster, and doesn't need banks to move. One of the critical concepts behind cryptocurrency is the blockchain. Imagine a notebook where every transaction is written down. Still, instead of just one copy, the notebook is shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This makes it highly secure because if anyone tries to change a transaction, everyone else immediately notices it. In the cryptocurrency world, no single entity has control. It's decentralized, meaning it's powered by a network of computers rather than a bank or government. Cryptography is the technology that protects all of this, using advanced codes and algorithms to ensure your money stays safe. Now, how do people create and add new transactions to the blockchain? This is where mining comes in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. Once a puzzle is solved, the miner adds a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. But here's something to remember. Cryptocurrency prices can change rapidly, sometimes going up or down in just a few minutes. This volatility makes it exciting, but also risky, especially for new investors. So, what are some of the most popular cryptocurrencies? The most famous is Bitcoin, often called digital gold. It was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most valuable. Then there's Ethereum, which allows for intelligent contracts, automated online agreements that don't need middlemen like lawyers. And then there's Dogecoin, a currency that started as a joke but is now worth billions thanks to community support and online memes. Cryptocurrency is powered by blockchain technology, a massive decentralized ledger. Instead of one bank holding your money, every transaction is recorded across a network of computers. This system ensures that no single entity controls the money, making it more secure and transparent. When it comes to making transactions, you'll need a wallet. But this isn't like the wallet in your pocket, it's digital. Every wallet has a public key, like your address for receiving funds, and a private key, your password. Keep that private key safe because it's the only way to access your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency also introduces some exciting new possibilities beyond just digital money. One of the most exciting is smart contracts. Imagine you could agree with someone online and the terms of that deal are automatically executed when both sides meet the conditions. There is no need for a lawyer or third-party mediator. The blockchain handles everything. This is possible with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. Another application is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These unique digital items can represent anything from art to music. Their ownership is verified on the blockchain. Think of it like owning the original painting instead of a copy. But just like the art world, NFTs can be risky and volatile. Cryptocurrency has already started to impact our economy in significant ways. Because it's decentralized, no government or bank can control it, giving people more freedom over their money. As more people move away from banks and toward decentralized systems, traditional financial institutions could also be disrupted. However, there are challenges. One of the biggest is environmental. Mining cryptocurrency takes a lot of energy, which can negatively impact the environment. Another challenge is regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrency, which could affect its future growth and adoption. As we look to the future, cryptocurrency will only get more advanced. Developers are working on making blockchain technology faster and more scalable to handle more transactions simultaneously. Privacy advancements are also on the horizon, with cryptocurrencies being developed that offer even more anonymity for users. The future of cryptocurrency also depends on how governments regulate it. While some countries are embracing it, others are still cautious. But no matter what happens, one thing is clear: cryptocurrency is here to stay, and its potential to revolutionize the financial world is immense. So, What does this mean for you? As more businesses start accepting cryptocurrency, using it daily could become as common as using a credit card. Whether buying coffee or paying rent, cryptocurrency could soon be part of your daily routine, offering a practical and convenient alternative to traditional currency. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is not just changing the world of finance, it's transforming it. It offers incredible benefits like decentralization and security, but comes with risks like volatility and environmental impact. As technology evolves and more people adopt it, how we use money could change forever, inspiring a new era of financial innovation. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide to cryptocurrency valuable and easy to understand. If you want to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency and financial news, subscribe to GrowFin and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.